Hello children, in the previous video I have explained you what is a verb. Now we will do the book exercises of this lesson. So take out page number 65 of your English grammar books. Let's start with question number A. Pick out the verbs in the following sentences and write them on the lines provided for. Now children, in these sentences which are given here, we have to underline the verb and we have to write that verb in the space provided on the right side. Number 1 is 2 and 2 make 4. Make is a verb, underline make and write make in the blank also. Second is honesty is the best policy. Here is a verb. Like children, I told you that in some sentences we find only the action word, or you can say the main verb. In some sentences we find the main verb as well as the helping verb, and in some sentences we find only helping verb. So here in the sentence number 2, only helping verb is there, so we will underline only is. So write is in the blank also. Number 3 is the man stood on the deck. Stood is an action word, so underline it and write stood on the blank also. Number 4 is he is reading the newspaper. Here reading is a main verb and is a helping verb. So underline both, is reading, and write is reading on the blank also. Number 5 is a giraffe has a long neck. Here has is a helping verb. So underline has, write has in the blank also. Now let's move on to question number B. Fill in the blanks with suitable verbs. Now children, in these sentences we have to fill in the blanks with the suitable verbs according to the sentence. I dash tea very much. You can write like. Number 2 is he dash to school every day. Goes. Number 3 is the river dash under the bridge. Flows. Number 4 is we dash our teeth twice a day. Brush. Number 5 is the boy dash very quickly. Runs. Number 6 is it dash heavily. Here we have used the main verb, the action word as well as the helping verb. Is raining. Number 7 is they dash chess in the room. Here again we have used the main verb as well as the helping verb, are playing. Now move on to page number 66. Let's do this joy drill exercise. Write the appropriate action verb under the picture. Now children, in this question, one circle is given and in that circle some verbs are given. And here some pictures are given. We have to find out the correct verb according to the picture. So here the first picture is a drive. Second is dig. Third is read. Fourth is fly. Fifth is build. Seventh is paint. Eighth is measure. Ninth is sweep. 10th run. 11th cry. 12th jump. And 13th write. Now move on to page number 67. Let's do question number D. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of verbs given in brackets. Now children, in this question, at the end of each sentence in the bracket, one verb is written. Now we have to fill in the blanks by changing the form of the verbs, by using the correct form of the verbs. So number 1 is I dash to New Delhi today. Here you can write I will go to New Delhi today, or you can write I am going to New Delhi today. Second is we dash our lessons. The verb is learn. We can write we have learnt our lessons, or you can also write we will learn our lessons. Third is I dash a letter to my friend. The verb is write. Here the second form of the verb will come. I wrote a letter to my friend. Then fourth is he dash with his neighbor. Quarrel. Then you can write he quarreled with his neighbor. Number 5 is she dashed a sweet song. The verb is sing. You can write the second form. She sang a sweet song. Number 6 is Amit and Kavita dash to each other. Speak. You can write are speaking. Number 7 is they dash for the train. The verb is wait. You can write are waiting. Now let's move on to playtime with verbs exercise. If a sentence has a singular subject, then it must have a singular verb. If a sentence has a plural subject, then it must have a plural verb. Now, if the subject of a sentence, if the subject in a sentence is singular, means we will use is and is or has. And if the subject in a sentence is plural, we can use are or have. Now, according to the picture, we have to fill in these blanks. And see, two options are given in the brackets at the end of each sentence. We have to choose the correct option and fill in the blank. The monkey dash sitting on the table. One monkey is there, so we will use is. Number 2 is the tiles on the floor dash square. Tiles are more in number, so we will use are. Number 3 is the monkey dash a long tail. Only one tail, so we will use has. Number 4 is the girl dash wearing trousers. Girl is. Only one girl is there and she is wearing trouser. So we will write is. Both people dash wearing hats. Both people means two are there. So for two we will write are. The boy dash hiding behind the wall. So we will write here only single boy is there. So we will use is. And the last is the girl dash walking down the hall. Again only one girl is there. We will use is. Now move on to page number 68. Now write two of your own sentences. One that uses is and one that uses are. Now here in this question, children, you have to write one sentence in which we will use is and the second sentence we will write in which we will use are. Let us write. Number 1 is my mother is a teacher. Is you underline. Second is they are playing in the park. You underline are playing. Now next question number F. Form pairs and ask your friend's daily routine. Now write it down. My friend's daily routine. He gets up at 6 o'clock in the morning. Rest you can write on your own, like he gets ready for school by 7 a.m. He eats his breakfast at 7:15 a.m. He reaches the school by 8:15 a.m. He comes back home at 3 p.m. He has his lunch at 3:30 p.m. He sleeps till 5 p.m. He plays from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. He studies for 2 hours. He has his dinner at 9 p.m. And the last one you can add, K part, he sleeps at 10 p.m. So children, here we finish with the book exercises of this lesson. Now take out your English 1 copies. In your English 1 copy, take out a new page. Write the date on the left side of the margin. Write lesson 12 on the first line. Then start writing the question. Question number 1 is define, verb, give examples. Answer is doing words are called verb. Full stop. For example, number 1, the girl is singing a song. Here you can underline both, is singing. As is a helping verb and singing is the main verb. Second, the sun rises in the east. Here only main verb is there, so you underline rises. The third one is she is writing a letter. Here helping verb as well as main verb is there, so you underline both, is writing. I will show you this question once again. Write it carefully in your notebooks in neat handwriting. So children, here we finish with this lesson. Thank you.